Well, good day, viewers. Today we have a 2009 Jeep Patriot. It's had a history of a misfire. It's apparently had plugs replaced in it, and the check engine light is currently on, but when I drove it in the shop, it didn't appear to be misfiring. So we're going to scan it and see what kind of codes it has in history, and see what kind of game plan we can come up with. So it's got 126,000 kilometers on it. That's not very much. Let's do a network code scan. Multiple cylinder misfire. Lost communication with ABS. Lost communication with ECM. Anti-lock brakes. That torque request signal denied is probably due to the misfire code. Low tire pressure, yes, the left front tire was flat when I went to bring it in just now. The valve stem's leaking. So I don't want to clear the codes. I want to go into the engine control computer and look at system tests. Which cylinder is misfiring? That should show the last 10 drive cycles. Customer said he put seafoam in it and drove it here and it ran fine. Maybe it had a stuck injector. One, 3, 2, and 4. Let's have a look at this engine. So I'm going to see if I can see mode 6 data, because that which cylinder is misfiring doesn't tell me. That'll be going to engine, generic functions, mode 6. This is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Catalyst monitor approach misfire cylinder 1 over the last 10 drive cycles. Value is 233. Misfire cylinder 2. Zero. Misfire cylinder 3. One. And misfire cylinder 4. $148. So 1 and 4. But it's not currently misfiring. One was higher number, I think. 233. Oh shit, it's not in data. It's under system tests. Oh, I don't know what to suggest. Maybe take it for a road test and see if I can get it to act up. So as you can see, it's not misfiring right now. And if it was an injector connection, it should set an injector fault code. I'm going to look at the work order. I think they said it was misfiring on cylinder number 1. So here's the statement from the repair shop. They changed the crank sensor, which the customer had replaced. They replaced the spark plugs. And cylinder number 1 misfire still present. Swapped coil and injector with known good cylinder. Really? They swapped the injector? And it does look like the injectors may have been out. Maybe number 1 and 2 been swapped. They're cleaner than that one and that one. Well, we're going to take it for a road test to see if it'll act up. Well, I just came back from about a 10-kilometer road test and the car runs perfect. No misfires counted. No running rough, no stumbling. So I'm not sure what's going on, but we can't fix it if it isn't broken. So reviewing the mode 6 data now after that road test and clearing the codes, it's at 0 on cylinder 1. Cylinder 4 had some counts before. As I said, the car is running beautiful. Don't feel any misfires. Let's check the other two while we're here. Zero. Tire pressure monitor. 0. Well, I'm going to talk it over with the customer, but I don't think we're going to be doing anything more with this thing until it actually acts up. Could have been a sticky valve, sticky injector, but they said they swapped the injector and the misfire stayed in cylinder number 1, so that kind of eliminates the injector. And they swapped the coil and they replaced the plugs, so about the only thing it could be would be a sticky valve, and it could be shutting down injector number 1 because of a misfire. But it's certainly not doing it now. Maybe the seafoam fixed it.